वेलकम बैक टू एयर स्टीवर्डेस वर्ल्ड। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप you all are doing absolutely well. So the topic for today I am going to share some tips and tricks to clear the cabin crew interview. Okay, so doesn't matter whether you are a girl or you are a boy. Whenever you sit in front of the interviewer, your legs should not be too much wide open and your shoulders should be in a proper level, not too up or not too down. Okay, and always give some smile, express your gratitude that you are happy to be here. Okay, you are happy that you got a chance to give the cabin crew interview. Always wear a good makeup, not too much, not too less, and always maintain the eye contact and keep the smile on your face. And your hair should be properly tied and wear proper earrings for which are formal, which are called as tops. Okay, and always wear a watch. Okay, because it reflects that you are careful about the time. And wear good clothes such as the formal shirt and black skirt and black stockings, which should be properly ironed, and heel shoes are preferred for girls. If you are a boy, okay, you should wear a professional attire with good shoes, okay, a formal shirt along with the blazer and along with the formal pant. Okay, your hair should be properly trimmed and you should be properly shaved, and always interact with other candidates who came for the interview. And whenever you step in, always remember that you are being observed from there and there itself. You might be thinking nobody is observing you, but some people from the hiring team keep an eye on you through the camera. Okay? And how much marks you scored doesn't matter here. These things matter, which I am telling you. How you interact with people, how approachable you are, what all things you know about the aviation industry, and how much you know about the airline, which airline's interview you are giving, how much research and development you have done for before coming for the interview, and your way of talking, your tone of voice, your eye contact, how much positivity you reflect from yourself, and your personality, how you walk, how you talk. All these things matter more than the number of percentage which you score. Okay, and always raw materials are being hired whom they can polish during the training, because it's often said that young brains learn faster, adapt things faster than the older ones, and that's the reason 18 to 27 is the age where you can apply to become a cabin crew. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have talked about almost everything. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubt, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description box. And those who have subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. Welcome new subscribers, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and do hit the like button if you like this video, and do not forget to share this video, and do not forget to press the black bell icon. That's all. Bye bye. Take care of you.